Hi folks, in previous video I showed you how to record indirect expenses in financial unlimited accounts options or a financial accounting feature. In this video I would show you how to record direct expenses and direct or indirect income through option using purchase bill form and sale invoice form. Okay. First of all, I'm gonna show you how to record direct expenses using purchase bill form of accounts. Okay, you need to click purchase. Here you need to put date. If you want to purchase, you need to give the vendor's name. Okay, this is the vendor from which I'm going to make a direct expense purchase. Due date, you can put due date over here, any date on after this date, or it could be similar to this, but it cannot be previous date from this date. Okay, either due date should be equal to this date or later date of this date. Okay, I'm gonna select this is the currency. We have only one currency. We don't. We are not. I haven't set up taxes yet. This is the reference invoice reference of bill and purchase bill reference. You can put the purchase invoice number over here. Now enter the product you want to purchase. Okay, I purchased Telco i5 10 quantity. Okay, select here. We would specify ourselves which account we want to be debited. This is the purchase account. I want to debit this direct expense in this purchase account of general ledger account. Now, if I want to track any class, I can track it. I am gonna track the class, this transaction with respect to country. Okay, I'm gonna add this. Okay, see, this has been added. This is the purchase automatically. If you want to change, you can change it, no problem. I make this as 300. Okay, now I would purchase one another product, that is Delco i52 10 same. If I want to record this particular item in some other GL account, I can choose, but in this case I have created direct expense as a stock account, because these are the inventory account. I need to track these as well, and that is why I have chosen this purchase, because this purchases account has been created in chart of account as a stock account. Okay, now I am gonna add this. Now this is the paid, and I have, if for instance I have paid the half amount and I haven't paid the full amount, then I would save this. I paid amount from cash because I haven't set up any other account. I have just set up cash account. I haven't set up any bank account. If I would have set up any bank account, which I would do now, then you would see that whenever I would purchase or sell, that bank account would also appear after this cash account. Okay, I'm gonna save this. See, this purchase invoice has been saved. You can see that the total invoice was 7,000. We paid 3,500 balances, 3,500. We haven't done any purchase transfer or purchase return from our purchase return. We haven't done any transfer to stores, and we haven't returned any item from this invoice to our vendor. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to enter indirect income first. Then before I show you how to enter indirect income through sale invoice, because through purchase bill and sale invoice you can enter both direct expenses and indirect expenses. In sale, in sales invoice you can record both direct expense and direct income direct income and indirect income. Whereas in point of sale, but in these form, you can't record indirect expenses in purchase form or indirect income sale form. You would have to record you would have to record only direct income and direct expenses if you want to track the item as an inventory as well. Whereas this is not the case with purchase bill and sale invoice. You can record both direct expenses and indirect expenses through purchase bill form, and sale and through sale invoices, direct expenses, direct income, and their indirect income. Okay, for recording indirect income, first I need to set up indirect income as a service. Okay, over here in the product field, I need to add, for instance, I'm gonna and the interest as income as indirect income. I'm gonna select okay, I'm gonna get this interest from um, Wells Fargo Bank. Okay, so here I need to see if I don't have Wells Fargo Bank, then I would need to set up a bank, Wells Fargo Bank as a vendor. Okay, I have selected the bank over here as a vendor. If okay, I'm gonna create new category. I'm gonna add new category over here, other income or indirect income. Okay, say I'm going to choose this. Now if I want to put cost over here, price as a 200, and okay, I'm not going to select any this as a service because this is other income and this is not product, it's a service. That is why I'm going to save it as service. Click OK, new product inserted successfully. Okay, now I'm gonna enter the indirect sale invoice or an indirect income invoice. Okay, I'm gonna click this, the Wells. If I've created Wells Fargo as a person name, Fargo as a customer, save it. Customer information has been saved successfully. Okay, now due date, this is the same date, which is the due date. Okay, now if I want to give reference, I want to give I can give the reference no text because no text is involved. I need to click the product interest income as the product name, which I created as a service. I clicked it automatically brought that service item in this form. I need to keep this quantity 1, and in what account I need to track this. I want this to be in interest, indirect income, which is interest. I'm gonna put this in interest. Okay, if I want to take classes, I can take classes, but I don't want to take classes for this particular transaction. And now if you see, this has been add interest income 1. If I have earned 200, if I earned 500 interest from this big, I would write, and I receive the paid amount which I received is, for instance, is the 500. Okay, I'm gonna save this, and if you see it, it's asking that where did I receive. I check the cache. I would click this. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to regard the direct income using sale invoice form in accounts. Okay, click sale invoice. Okay, I don't want to change the date. The date is same. The vendor, customer name, and I'm gonna click Martinis. I'm gonna click this. Due date is for instance 30. Now I'm gonna click notice as I haven't set up any clicks. I'm gonna give the reference number, and if okay, I'm gonna Select. Okay. One thing you need to understand that from head office. Okay, in this case, if I click this one product, okay, select any specific account. I'm gonna select sales, direct income. Okay, hold on a second. I'm gonna select the sales account. I don't want to take classes. Click the add button here. It says that product does not exist in the okay. Actually, project does exist, but here this is head office. We cannot make sale entry direct sales, direct income, or we cannot enter the invoices in which we are selling our inventory product. If we would have been selling the services product without tracking inventory, then this entry could have been entered easily. For instance, if I click interest over here, and I would have selected the in I would have selected the interest as an income account where I want to track interest income in GL account, then it would have see it has added. But the product del was the inventory product, and inventory product we can't sell through head office. That is why it didn't allow indirect income. We can record or any income which does not track inventory product. Any item we have set a product item which or service item which we have set up as a service and not an inventory product, we can record through head office. But in this case, I wanted to sell inventory product through head office. That is why it didn't allow us. It says that the product does not exist. Actually, here, see if I try to add this one to enter any inventory product through head office. Okay, for that you would have to log out and enter log out and log in again from selling store from a branch or store which has been set up as a selling branch. Okay, in this case I'm gonna get a selling, and now I'm gonna enter in that invoice over here. Okay, I'm gonna click Martinez customer, and I haven't set up the text yet. Now I need to click the I want to sell one product, and the account where I want to record the income is the direct account. I don't want to select any classes. Now you can see over here it has added, because I am trying to enter this sale invoice through branch, not the head office, because head office cannot involve in selling activities of direct income for selling for those direct income for those products which have been sent, which have been created as inventory product. For service products or services product, it can involve as in selling activity, but for inventory product, it is not the head office is not allowed to sell the product which has set up as an inventory through head office. Okay, I'm gonna get all the amount 800, and now if I click save, it would ask me where this amount would come. Okay, only cash account has been set. I'm gonna save it. Now if I go to see the journal, okay, see cash is debited, sale account is credited correctly. Okay, now I hopefully this would help you understand how to record the direct income, indirect income, and direct expenses through purchase bill and sale. Thank you for watching.